30 years ago, I came up with an idea that I thought was a great idea. It's a soilless growing system that not only recycles water, but can run without conventional power, straight off a 12-volt battery or even a solar panel. 30 years ago, this was my original prototype. 15 years ago, I spent my life saving building the world's first fully self-contained hydroponic growing system that I called the Hydropot. Unfortunately, I failed. My arrogance and my desire to become rich got in the way of the true purpose of the Hydropot. The easiest way to explain how the Hydropot works is simply just to show you this scale model. I'm using a small air pump, a 12-volt battery, and this sealed chamber. As air is pumped into the sealed chamber, it's forced up into the growing system while being oxygenated. After 15 minutes of this action, 90% of the oxygen is put back into the water so that when it shuts off, the water is recaptured and ready to be used again. In my next video, I'll teach you how to build a full-size Hydropot using this and this. Links to my videos are down below. Share this video with somebody that's hungry.